Alright, welcome back on my Legendary Traders Entrepreneurs. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys my last week's profits. If you guys are new to this channel is all about me coming from $0 in profit and going all the way to 100K in profit. I'll also show you guys the wins, the loss, and if you guys want to see the verified account that I have, check in the description. I have the MYFXBOOK book, so it shows you the verified trades I took and you see the progress of my account as it goes. So if you guys are new to this channel, hit the subscribe and please hit the like because I just want to come on here and help you guys, show you guys the journey and see what's possible within this year. We'll see how long it's going to take to hit 100K in profit, okay? So let's go straight into my account. So last week, I only profited $193. I entered about 4 trades, which you can see are still running here. A couple of trades are still running. So last week only took 2 trades. Was this GCAD and UCAD? This GCAD here on accident, I entered the wrong lot size to a 6.23. But then I meant to enter a 0.62, so I just did a 1 pip take profit. So I got it's not free money, but I just exit and I got $30 in profit on here. How come it doesn't show the commissions here? Yeah, so 69 minus 31, about like $30. So that trade is running right now. It's about $100 in profit. These trades are still running, but last week I'm only up 193, basically just 173. This trade, I wouldn't even count this trade as a trade that I took. So last week was a little slow. I only took 2 trades, but as you guys saw, remember the last time I updated you guys with my account, GN, which was crazy, which is the chart I have pulled it right now. So let me just show you guys all history. So GN finally hit take profit. So March 9th I entered, and then March 23rd it finally hit take profit. Trailing stop loss. It was a pretty emotional roller coaster because it kept going in negative, and then but like I said, if you guys saw me seeing when I was gonna enter or exit that trade, what I said was that once it goes below the daily and H4s, what do you call it, the moving average here, then I'm gonna exit. So price came here and it almost went under here. I think it was the H4 actually, yeah. So H4 here, you see it went and it hit the moving average 200 here, and if it closed below, then I probably would have exited that trade, but it did not close below, and then after it hit, it literally just went straight up and hit my take profit, which was this green line right here. So I did a trailing stop loss on M15. If you guys haven't seen my last video where I updated my live account, you guys saw that I was in this trade live and now it finally closed. It took a while, but it was worth the wait. So this is where price actually exit. So when price closed above my green line here, which was my area of take profit, I just did a trailing stop loss and let it to keep going. But you guys can see it literally hit it. I put a stop loss under this wick right here, trailing stop loss, when this one closed strong, and then I did a wick trailing stop loss, and within that 15 minutes it hit it, and then crazy enough it just went and never came back. But like I said, you can never always catch the bottoms or the tops. You just do trailing stop loss and try to catch as much as you can. I don't usually do a hard take profit, which means setting a take profit, because I want to let my winners run. And yeah, so in this case, I could have gone more, but who would have known? If price came and stopped me out here and kept going down, then I could have been like, oh, perfect exit. But just in this case, it kept going, which is okay. I'll go back and review this trade even more and see what I could have done better. But as far as my account right now, I am up $14,000 is my balance. You guys saw my total deposit was $12,600. So I'm $1,400 in profit, 1.6% towards my goal of 100K. So it's pretty exciting. This trade is about to hit take profit soon. Yeah, so I'm gonna trail stop loss this one soon, and hopefully it hits take profit. Today's already March 24th on a Wednesday, so I updated my account kind of late. But this is the midweek of my live account, so next week I'll show you guys the end result of this week's profits. But yeah, that's what's running. If you guys like what you guys saw, please hit that subscribe, hit the like. I'm just here to hopefully show you guys inspiration and show you guys and be transparent with my trades and show you guys the wins, the losses, the goods and the bad, okay? So thank you guys all for watching and hit the subscribe so you guys see that video that I'll be posting up tomorrow. So see you guys next time.